Hello everyone, hope you are good. In this video I will tell you about the dual WhatsApp in your device Vivo T1x. So if in this device you want to download a dual WhatsApp, or you can say a clone WhatsApp, like you already have one but you want to download another WhatsApp in your device, you can easily do this by the methods I will show you in this video. You have to follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can download a dual WhatsApp in your device. Before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's watch the video.